Shine bright up all night whenever.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be sharing with you smoky green, sea green eye makeup look. If you are wearing a sea green colored attire, then please give this eye makeup look a try. I haven't used much eyeshadows in this eye look. It's very quick and simple. It's a cut crease eye makeup look. The first eyeshadow that I would be packing is this one. I'm using a tapered brush. Find link to this product in the description box below along with other products. I'm packing the eyeshadow on my outer V. Move it towards crease after applying on your outer V. Tap and move the brush back and forth to disperse and in circular motion for smokiness. To intensify my outer V, I'm picking a deeper eyeshadow. This one. Intensify your outer V. Move the brush in circular motion to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. I'm moving it towards the crease along with outer V eyeshadow. The intensity be the greatest on outer V and very less towards the crease. I'm creating half cut crease now. Pull only the edge concealer towards the outer V to blend it with the outer V. On top of this, I would be packing this perfect sea green eyeshadow. Cover whole of the concealer using this eyeshadow. I'm not happy with the outer V intensity. To intensify it further, I'm using black eyeshadow. Pick black eyeshadow from some other palette, pat and begin blending. Move the brush in circular motion. To blend sea green eyeshadow with outer V eyeshadow, I'm picking this shimmery eyeshadow and applying on my eye mid. Push it towards the outer V eyeshadow to blend it with the outer V eyeshadow. Next, I would be using liquid eyeshadow here to give shimmery effect below my crease line. Draw a line below the crease line, a shimmery line, and then pull it to blend it with the sea green eyeshadow. Before drying, you'll have to pull it. Blend it with the sea green eyeshadow. Next, I would be creating winged eyeliner. I'm using liquid eyeliner from Insight. After outlining my wing, I'm filling it. Next, I'm creating pointed inner corner. After this, I would be coating kajal on my waterline. Smudge the kajal on your lower lash line next. Move the brush back and forth to smudge kajal. I'm using PAC 383 brush, a very small flat brush from PAC. I'm coating mascara on my eyelashes next. And it's done. This is the final look. If you like this eye makeup look, then please consider subscribing my channel for more such tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Take care and bye.